Welcome to another video on complete tutorial on full cobra pose. Let's start by Ardha Chakra Asana. Bend backward as much as possible. Give a complete backward stretch to your back. Slowly come back and bend forward. Practice 5 to 10 dynamic rounds of Ardha Chakra Asana and Padhastasana. Next asana you may perform is Marjari Asana. Come in the starting position, inhale while raising the head and depressing the spine so that the back becomes concave. Exhale while lowering the head and stretching the spine upward. You may perform 5 to 10 full rounds for general purposes, but to increase your backward stretch, perform quick 20 full rounds of Marjari Asana. At the end, relax in Shashankasana. Next asana is Vyagra Asana. Arching the back downwards, straighten the right leg, stretching it up and back. Bend the right knee, look up and bring the toes towards the back of the head. Repeat the same with the other leg. Practice at least 10 to 20 full rounds on both the sides. Now prepare yourself for Ardha Bhujangasana first. Lie in prone position, keep the hands and feet in place. Slide the chest forward and raise first the head, the shoulders, and arch the back into the cobra pose. Your navel region should touch the ground. Perform 5 rounds of Ardha Bhujangasana before performing the full Bhujangasana. Finally, before performing Poorna Bhujangasana, assume Bhujangasana and hold the position. Bend the knees and raise the feet. Stretch the head, neck and shoulders back a little further and try to touch the back of the head with the toes or with the soles of the feet. Hold the position for as long as it is comfortable. Release the pose and relax with the arms by the side of the body and the head turned to one side. You may relax in Makrasana also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.